Yo, what's going on, guys? That's the Books here. Today I'm giving you guys a tutorial on how to make thumbnails for free, completely updated. I have learned my ways. You can make thumbnails that look like this, or if I unblur this, you get this. You can make pretty good looking thumbnails. So what you want to do is you want to come over here and head over to Pixlr.com. I'll leave the link in the description. And you just want to click get for free. I've been through this before. Create new. And you want to click on my thing. Find it. I'm pretty sure. Actually, the size of my. Oh, I'm gonna do that. On this one. If I do, go ahead and click save. 1920 by 1080. So what you want to do is come over here, go to full HD, click create, and boom, you got your layout. So now what you want to do is you want to find an image that you do want below your that you want blurred. Alright, that's kind of like let's say right now I was creating my thumbnail for this video. I can choose this one. Boom. Of course, it's already that size. So what you want to do is you want to come over here to the second one. It's going to be filters, and you just want to blur it until it looks like that. So about 70–80%. Then you want to come over here, click add, click. Oh, not image. Okay, you want to click text, and then you want to just kind of make it look I'll just type in whatever you want to type in, click out of it, make sure that this is yellow, this is yellow, boom, and then you want to come over here, put a nice little shadow on it, make that pure black so you can see it, make that opacity 100%, no blur, and boom, there you go. Now I do like to put a little bit of an outline on mine. Make it like 1 pure black so that I can see a little bit more. Oop. And it looks like 2 is the magic. Oop. Okay, I'm messing with a lot of things right now, but then what you want to do is you want to come over here and find a font. So now there was a font that's like Oblex Pro or something like that, but I use either Game On, or I come down here and find Molot. I think is how you pronounce it, which is a good, nice font. You just want to size it up, and don't make it that big. You basically just want to make it like that, and you kind of just want to do that. Your skin, you do not want to do that. But I mean, you do want to kind of make it, adjust it to the right size.